special. Pretty special being out here. It's unbelievable. It's definitely not deep enough to backflip. We will attempt some backflips this afternoon if we can. I might not. He probably will. But we are going to have another go at swimming in the lake. This is the deepest part of the lake. Want to see? Want to see how deep the lake is? So I'm not sure if you can see in the distance, but we've seen this little white thing in the distance. You see it? And we think it looks like a random kayak in the middle of the lake. So we're going to go and check it out and see if there's a mystery kayak in the middle of the lake. Here we are. We're on the middle of Wastwater and we've found a kayak. It's creepy, because why is it here?
It's got a stone in it.
Ian!